Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the function key problem on your laptop. So if you see, my function keys are not working and I get this error. So to fix this, you have to visit the HP official website and download the software drivers like this website, and you have to download the Hotkey Support driver. Just press OK, and it will, if you have this assistant, it will download here. So it is downloading now. Okay, and just install now. I accept. Next. Next. So the driver is installing now, and hopefully should work now after installing this driver. Okay, so it's installed now. So let's see. I think it need a restart, so we'll restart our laptop. Okay, so then now laptop is restarted, and we'll see now. So you can see after installing the hotkey driver, my function keys started working. So let's give a try. So you can see I can increase and decrease the brightness, and I can increase the volume and low down the volume. Okay, thank you.